This is the second Empire steam engine that I have rebuilt, and it's all fired up. I'll open the throttle. These were built starting in the 1920s as a child's toy. There's a pulley on it. You could run all kind of accessories off of it. You can see I have a full glass of water right now in the boiler. And it is reversing. It has a reversing linkage on the other side of the flywheel. This was made by the Metal Ware Company in Two Rivers, Wisconsin. And the name of the toy was the Empire Steam Engine. It's got a copper boiler, chromed, very nicely built.